Sonic blockchain just announced a 200 million S token airdrop. Formerly known as Fantom, the Sonic blockchain will be migrating to a new network named Sonic. During this migration, 200 million S tokens will be airdropped to new Sonic blockchain users. So during season 1 of this S airdrop, Sonic Labs has introduced a pay-to-play arcade where you can accumulate points and make yourself eligible for a bigger airdrop. This is a complete Sonic season 1 airdrop guide. Let's get started. So as you know, the Fantom network has rebranded as Sonic. So that means the former FTM token will be converted into the new S token once the migration is complete. And the new Sonic network will have 1 second confirmation time, up to 10,000 transactions per second, and an average transaction cost of 1 cent. So to make yourself eligible for this upcoming airdrop, you will have to interact with the beta Sonic network to prove your blockchain usage and contributions. And one way to do that is to use the new Sonic arcade. So the first thing you'll want to do is visit airdrop.soniclabs.com. So right off the bat, you will need an invitation code to get started. I will leave my personal invitation code in the comment section. So once you have that, you'll go ahead and connect your wallet. So you will need a compatible Ethereum EVM wallet. I do recommend MetaMask, but there are other great options as well, such as Coinbase Wallet or Rabby Wallet. And confirm the connection. You'll approve adding this network to your MetaMask wallet. Cool. And once you're in, you will land on the homepage, which is the points section. Currently, I have 0 points accrued. So what we'll want to do is use the Sonic arcade to earn points. So once we're in here, we're going to want to connect our wallet one more time. Make sure you use the same wallet. Click connect, MetaMask, connect. Cool. And to get started, you will need to complete a 3-step process. Number 1, add the Sonic testnet to your wallet. Number 2, acquire some token coin from the faucet so you can use these token coins to play arcade games. And lastly, play the arcade games daily so you accrue more points. Pretty straightforward. So step 1, let's add the Sonic testnet. So on your wallet, approve the addition. Cool. And you'll see in your MetaMask that the S network has been added. Next step would be to acquire some token coin from the free faucet. So let's click here. It's going to want to verify you're a human, so you will have to have a X account. So sign in with your X account and authorize the app. Step 2 would be to follow 0x Sonic Labs. Click follow. And lastly, verify that you are human. And then you can click on get token. So I did get an error message from MetaMask when I tried to claim my token. There's a small setting you can turn off within MetaMask to bypass this error. Go into your MetaMask and into your settings, experimental. So under improved signature requests, we're going to turn this off. So let's try this one more time. Let's get our free token coins. Cool. And if you look up here, you do see that we did acquire 210 token coins. And lastly, play each game 10 times per day to earn points for the S airdrop. The countdown resets at 00 UTC daily. If you click on learn more, it'll give you a comprehensive guide on how to use the Sonic arcade. So there's 3 games to choose from. There's Plinko, Mines, and Wheel. Let's start with Plinko. Cool. So right off the bat, number of rows is 10 and play count is 1 ball. Let's hit start session. Go ahead and sign this transaction. Cool, and here we go. I got 2 points there. Let's try this one more time. And there we go, 3x. And we can minimize the amount of rows. Here's 6, and we can even increase the amount of balls too. Play. Cool, and there goes 2 balls and 3x and 2x. Cool, and you do see your accrued point at the top here. And at the bottom, you do see a live history view of all the current games happening now. Cool, let's go back to the other games. We can play Mines. So it's been a while since I've played Mines, but if you need instructions, you click on instructions here. This would give you a full breakdown of how to play this game. And let's click here, click on get, click on the next one, click on one more, start again, click here. Frankly, it's been a while since I've played this game. I'm definitely gonna have to reread the instructions here. So finally, let's look at Wheel. Wheel is essentially like roulette, and simply choose your multiplier and hit play. Cool, that was a 4x. Let's try 6x next, hit play. And one more time, we'll do 12x. And again, your live point at the top with your remaining token coins. Cool, and once again, my total points are here. Don't forget to use my referral code when you sign up. And one last thing, the Sonic bridge is coming soon, so make sure you keep your eye out for the Sonic gateway where you'll be able to bridge your Fantom tokens into the new Sonic S token. So when the migrate function is launched, make sure you use it so you'll increase your chances for a bigger airdrop. So I'm super bullish on what Sonic is working on, and I'm optimistic this will be a lucrative airdrop. If you recall, Jito airdropped up to $10,000 worth of the JTO tokens for early users. We could be be seeing something similar for the S token, so you don't want to miss your chance. And you definitely want to stay up to date with the latest breaking news and everything Sonic related on their X page at 0x Sonic Labs. And don't forget to check out my other YouTube tutorials where I have tons of free airdrop guides. So what do you think about the Sonic airdrop? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.